ACTUAR is an association that involves orthopedic surgeons in Latin America that help us to make research. It's one thing that is very important to develop in every surgeon. And in Latin America, we write less than 1% of the orthopedic literature in the world. So we have to develop that and ACTUAR help us to do it. My name is Luis Padilla. I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Mexico. I worked for 30 years in the public system health. I'm a member of the board of the Mexican Federation of Orthopedic and Traumatology in Mexico.
With this kind of association, we work together in the research, in the spread of the knowledge, and for Latin America, it's very useful because it's one of the associations that we can follow in order to continue getting the knowledge in orthopedics. My name is Fernando de la Huerta. I am orthopedic surgeon. I was working in the national healthcare system for 36 years. Now I'm retired, but I continue with my private practice.
The impact of ACTUAR, we are now seeing the results. We have more organized groups and the potential is very big.
With ACTUAR, we have a direction, we have a support, and we have all the tools that we need to work together.
ACTUAR builds research capacity.